If you're mixing serums with your body cream randomly, stop. Serums are not just random add-ons you throw into your lotion. There is a correct way to use them if you want real glow.
Go girl.
Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. In today's video, I'll be showing you 5 serums that can help your cream work better. So if your body lotion is not just working or is making you darker, or you just want to activate your body lotion and get more brighter or lighter glow, then this video is for you. Now, I need you to know that it's not all serums that are meant to be mixed with your body lotions or creams. When you're looking for a serum to activate your lotion, you want a serum that can either brighten, lighten, or just glow up your skin, depending on what you want to achieve with your skin. So with that said, the first serum I have for you is this Fair and White Vitamin C Serum. See, if you want a safe glow booster that you can add to your body lotion, this right here does the job. It's going to help boost the effectiveness of your lotion. It works with basic body lotions like CeraVe, Nivea, Vaseline Brightening Lotion, and even this Fair and White lotion is going to make those lotions become more effective. Is one of the best serums that can help brighten up your dull looking skin, make your skin look even and more radiant. Like, you will love the glow effect you get from this. It's not going to lighten you up or bleach your skin. It's one of those safe lotions that will gently brighten up your skin and make it glow nicely. It also helps with uneven skin tone, just so you know. It's amazing. So go add this into your body lotion and you will definitely have a shiny, beautiful, glowing skin. Up next, we have this Cloud9 Lemon and Mango Serum. I know a lot of you are familiar with the lotion, but you see the serum, it works very well. With the Cloud9 lotion alone, you will get little to no results. But when you pair it together with this Cloud9 serum, your skin is definitely going to be radiating all the goodness. Like, your skin will look so gorgeous and you're going to get compliments. Like, this serum is a compliment getter. It's going to lighten your skin, even out your complexion, and give you a flawless, beautiful, glowing skin tone. It will make your skin look healthy. So this as well can be mixed with any moisturizer with no actives and the Cloud9 lotion as well, if you want to get that intense lightening and glow. So if you want a smooth, beautiful, glowing skin tone that will look attractive, go get this. You will love the effect on your skin. It will give you a nice yellow, milky, glowy complexion that you're definitely going to love and flaunt. Like, this is a compliment getter. Just go try it out and come and thank me later. Now, this next serum I have on here is the Skin Secrets Whitening Milk Serum. If you know, you know. This is one serum that a lot of your skincare formulator and internet pro mixers have been using. Like, this is one serum they basically cannot do without, because it works with every and any lotion. Like, it can activate all your moisturizers, all your brightening lotion, or your lightening lotion with actives already in them. This one, it does the job. It's a milk serum. Like, it gives that nice, beautiful, lighter, glowing skin tone. Your skin will look flawless, and it's going to also tackle any form of discoloration that you have on your skin. See, I've not seen a better serum that can clear dark knuckles and also give someone a flawless, beautiful skin tone when you use it, other than the Skin Secrets Milk Serum. It works amazing. Like, it's very potent, and when you add it like a lotion with actives already, it's going to give you a nice, beautiful, glowing skin. This is going to give you a clean, beautiful, glowing skin. It's not one of those serums that you will use and you start noticing green veins, uneven skin tone, or some parts of your body will now become red while the other part is greenish. No, this one does not do that. That's if you mix it properly and correctly. This one is going to activate any body lotion you put it into and make it work like 10 times better. Like, you will love the effect of this. Like, this is one serum that I've seen a lot of people use actually, and that's why I thought to add it on here. It's very potent and you can never go wrong with this particular stick. So you go try it out and you will definitely understand what I'm talking about. Up next, we have this QEI Plus Paris Active Harmony Serum. This right here is one of the best safe serum you can mix into your body lotion to either brighten your skin, lighten your skin, or just glow up your complexion. Like, if you want a beautiful, nicely toned up skin without any form of blemishes, this one works very well. And one thing I really love about QEI Plus Paris Active Harmony Serum is one serum that I've personally used, and I'll confirm it any day, anytime, that it's potent and it does deliver the job. Like, it does the job. It will give you a nice, glossy, beautiful, glowing skin tone. The undertone this one delivers is amazing. It gives a warm golden yellow kind of complexion. Like, a lot of people will be stopping you on the road to ask you, hey, what are you using? That's exactly what this one does. So if you want that classic girl glow, or you just want to even out your uneven skin tone, clear out your pigmentation, your discoloration, get this one. It will do the job for you. Like, it's very safe and you're not going to be panicking when applying or using it or mixing it with your lotion. Overall, it gives a general overall radiance. Like, all your skin, all from your neck down to your feet, will be evenly toned. Like, you will love the effect on your skin. It will have your skin entering other people's eyes. That's how good it is. So this particular Active Harmony Serum pairs well with the QEI Plus body lotion because it's actually a built-in lotion. Like, it's formulated to work hand in hand with the body lotion to activate it. Ingredients in the lotion and the one in the serum are already compatible, so you don't need to get another brand of product and pour into QEI to make it active. It might ruin your skin. So you want to use the same QEI Plus serum to activate the QEI Plus Paris lotion. And that's exactly how it is formulated. Now, if you must use other lotions with this QEI Plus Paris serum, let it be a plain hydrating lotions or creams that are not overloaded with actives. Something like the CeraVe moisturizing lotion or the CeraVe moisturizing cream. Or you can also use the Nivea Essentially Nourished lotion. It's not overpacked with ingredients. So you want to use plain hydrating lotions that don't have too many active ingredients in it. That way, the QEI Plus Paris serum does not have to compete with the ingredients in the product. It just has to do the job. The lotion just allows the QEI Plus serum become the major treatment, and that's exactly how you get results. If you mix any other serum into your QEI Plus Paris body lotion and you do not confirm the ingredient compatibility, you will just cause a reaction or damage on your skin. So now, lastly, we have this glutathione comprime serum. This one is an OG for a reason. Like, you can never go wrong using the glutathione comprime serum any day, anytime. It just works like the Skin Secrets one that I talked about. It works with any and every body lotion. You can put it in a body lotion that already have like too many actives packed in it, like this Q7 Pro Lab lotion, like your Skin by Zaron body lotion. You can always pour it into any moisturizer, brightening, lightening lotion with active ingredients already in it, and it will do the job. It basically helps to lighten the skin and give you a flawless, even toned complexion. So if you're looking to activate your lotion to get rid of your dark areas or patches on your body, then this glutathione comprime serum is amazing. Like, it works very well with any lotion to give you great results. So if you want a flawless, beautiful, glowing skin, use this particular serum and you will love the effect on your skin. It's very, very effective. If you really want to get the best results out of these serums, use them with the right type of lotions, like I already mentioned earlier. Like, don't go and be using QEI Paris body lotion with one Oshaprapra serum. You might end up damaging your skin or causing irritation on your skin. Better still, just use serum and lotions from the same brand or same range. That way, you will not be mixing an overly strong serum with an overloaded active body lotion. This right here is exactly the reason why most of you are battling with stretch marks, green veins, discoloration, dark knuckles, and the rest. Like, this is the exact reason why. Now, let me show you guys my best kept mixing secret. I only share this with some of my clients, okay? If you really want a gorgeous, attractive, healthy looking skin, regardless of the serum you're using, all you need to do is to use like half of your serum, pour it into your body lotion, and then add glycerin, like a cup of glycerin or two, depending on the ml of your body lotion. If it's like a 400 ml, you can just use one cup. The kind of compliments you get with this mix is mind blowing. Like, this is something that will give you that ageless, youthful, beautiful, radiant, glowing skin. You will see your skin popping. Like, honestly speaking, you know what that does? It helps to soften your skin, smoothen your skin, ensure your skin is too full hydrated. And when you're treating maybe uneven skin tone, it helps your skin like absorb all the ingredients, tackle that uneven or discoloration that you have. And that's exactly why this is effective. So go try out this mixing routine and the serums I recommended. I hope they were helpful. If you learned a thing or two from today's video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips. And don't forget, if you've been trying different products and it's not working, feel free to book our one-on-one consultation section. We don't take a lot of clients. That way, we can help you recommend the best products for your skin. Let me know in the comments which of the serums you've used and how it worked for you, or which one you're planning to use. I hope today's video was helpful, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.